Hello everyone. First we're going to take hair from one side, making a braid, then taking another layer, making another braid, repeating the same with the other side as well, and joining the braids at the back and adding this red bow. Next, we're going to section our hair into two from the top, then making a braid by adding some rubber bands, then joining it to our ponytail, further taking all of the hair from that side and making a final braid, securing it with the rubber band and repeating the same with the other side. Next, we're going to take a high ponytail, adding another rubber band, making a space in between, and then making this beautiful bow, further taking the remaining hair and making two braids out of it. Next, we're going to take some hair from the top, making a ponytail and then folding it out, further dividing it into two braids and then joining them to our two ponytails. Next, we're going to section our hair into two, taking some layer and then converting it into braid, adding this beautiful ribbon with some colorful flowers and then wrapping it up on our braid. Now you can see we're going to take the remaining hair and making a final braid from that side, then repeating the same with the other side as well, and now you are good to go with your hairstyle. Next, we're going to section our hair into two from the top, making a braid with colorful rubber bands and then joining them to the remaining hair. Next, we're going to take two braids at the back and then giving them this beautiful effect, adding this clutcher to enhance its look, and then it's ready. Next, we're going to section our hair into two, first taking one side, making a braid, then to the remaining hair, we're going to make another braid and a ponytail, joining all of them together, then adding this purple ribbon. With the help of that, we're going to make a braid and then folding it out into a simple round shape bun, then repeat the same with the other side as well, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we're going to section our hair into two, making a ponytail at one side, then folding it once. Then we're going to add this ribbon and making 3 to 4 braids at each side. Next, we're going to take a high ponytail with some rubber bands, then folding it out into a beautiful round shape bun and adding this clip. Next, we're going to take two ponytails, one at each side, joined with some braids. Then we're going to use this puff rubber band and then we're going to fold it out into a round shape bun. And now you can see adding this beautiful clip on it and it's ready. Next, we're going to take a high ponytail and then by using this ribbon, we're going to fold it out into this bun. Now you can add any accessories as per your choice or you can leave this as it is. It already looks so good and pretty. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken all of the hair, then dividing it into two and then making a braid joined with this pony, further joining some more hair to it and the rubber bands. Next, we're going to take some hair from the top, making a braid, then taking little amount of hair from both the sides and then adding rubber band, then making a low ponytail and folding it out. Next, we're going to section our hair into two, taking one side, making two braids and then folding them into this beautiful bow, taking the remaining hair and making two braids. Next, we're going to take two ponies, joining them at the back into two braids.